The 7 Masks, Tools of Social Engineering. At the heart of the game of 7 masks are 7 archetypal forces that, when combined, can shape the perception, beliefs, and reality of a society. They are the tools that a demiurge, a dictatorship, an authoritarian system uses to ascend to and maintain power. Think of them as the movements of a complex choreography, where each step is strategic in constructing a new truth. Let's go through them. Mask of the Sower of Chaos. This mask has one main objective: to generate disorder and confusion. It operates by disseminating contradictory information, fake news, rumors, or even actions that destabilize the social, political, or informational environment. The idea is to create a scenario so confusing that people lose their sense of direction and seek any kind of order, even if imposed. Mask of the Semiological Deconstructor. Once chaos has been sown, this mask comes into action to empty old meanings and rewrite reality. It distorts terms, reinterprets historical events, inverts values, or redefines concepts to fit a new agenda. The goal is to destroy the basis of pre-existing beliefs and consensuses, leaving space for the imposition of a new narrative. Mask of Neo-Systematics. In the fertile ground of disorder and the deconstruction of meanings, this mask has the function of imposing new structures. This can be the creation of new laws, institutions, social, or economic systems that concentrate power and establish a new normal. It is responsible for formalizing and materializing the new order that emerges from chaos. Mask of the Belief Engineer. With the new structures in place, this mask works to forge faith in the masses. It uses massive propaganda, symbols, rituals, and captivating narratives to convince people to accept and believe in the new structures and the ideology behind them. It is what builds the vision of heaven that justifies the regime and its actions. Mask of the Seer of the Abyss. This is the mask of strategic intelligence. It anticipates public reactions and the weaknesses of adversaries, both internal and external. Through surveillance, data analysis, or pure intuition, it informs the other masks about which moves should be made, adjusting tactics to avoid resistance and optimize control. Mask of the Paradoxical Mirror. No system is perfect, and contradictions will always arise. This mask has the ability to reconcile blatant contradictions in discourse and reality. It can present seemingly opposing logics as complementary, or simply divert attention from obvious inconsistencies, maintaining the coherence of the imposed narrative, even if illusory. Mask of the Conscious Golem. The conscious golem is the natural result of the choreography. It is not an active technique, but the materialization of an ideology in institutions, symbols, and even the figure of the leader himself. It is when the truth forged by the other masks solidifies and becomes the dominant reality, embodied in all aspects of society. The regime itself becomes the living and undeniable manifestation of its own ideology. The 8th Mask, the Demiurge. The 8th mask is not part of the dance itself, but its maestro and its final product. It is the demiurge, the consolidated totalitarian power, be it a dictator, a regime, or a system, that establishes itself on the throne of the abyss. When the demiurge is at its peak, the 7 individual masks seem less active because reality has already been shaped. But if the demiurge's power weakens, the 7 masks intensify to reconsolidate it. It is the very personification of social megalitization.